Today I'm going to show you how to make the glass-like shine look that I've done on Camille Razat in Mallorca. I'm starting on damp hair. First I'm going to choose my three main products, which is the Glow Spray Serum, the Working Hairspray and the Indulging Fluid Oil, which is now in a beautiful spray. Before you start using the Glow Spray Serum, you have to shake it a little bit so all the different components are mixed well together. And the Glow Spray Serum gives heat protection, but also for UV. And it also helps to make the shine and the glow even come out more with the color of the hair. I'm gonna dry the hair without the nozzle, because then it goes quicker to dry and I don't need direction yet for the end result of the hair. And before I'm going to use a straight iron to protect her hair as much as possible, I'm going to use the Working Hairspray just on top to have a little bit more hold. Even when you see how I blow dry, the hair is elastic, so I go slowly with my blow dryer and my brush instead of doing it 10 times. At the top I stretch the hair, then I use my blow dryer that follows my brush slowly, 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 and the nozzle stays around the area where the brush is, and then the very ends you go in and then you push the hair down without even turning the brush to keep the hair as straight as possible. To finish the hair, I'm going to use the Working Hairspray and a straight iron. To ensure not to make the hair too flat, I'm going to take slightly bigger sections than you would normally do when you use a straight iron to keep the volume in the hair. And then to layer the hair, I use the Indulging Fluid Oil. It has heat protection, but what is also really nice is that it really infuses and make the hair nice and smooth and super shiny. And together with those two, when you use the straight iron, you get an amazing glass-like shine effect. I'm going to finish now the hair using the Indulging Fluid Oil on my brush, and then I use the Working Hairspray together to really give hold but also extra shine. When you see when I finalize the front, I push the hair a little bit to the front and then make a little curve around the ear. There I hold it and then I push the hair back, making sure you have a very nice, beautiful line at the front. And voila! And if you loved watching this tutorial, please subscribe and I see you next time.